Dear members, partners and stakeholders, this week is a customer service week and we'd like to appreciate you because our profession would not have survived without you. The success of every business is attributable to its customers. Every award, every news mentioned, every big deal celebrated, every time you walk through elevated scenes is because of you. But you're more than a customer. You are our partners in a mission to build a world-class professional institute of accountants, upskill quality accountants in the region, and contribute to the economic growth of the country. We are in existence for your existence, so despite any adversity and the future uncertainty, one thing would remain: we are committed to you. To all professionals and organizations across all sectors who trust us to impart in you all the right skills to make an impact, we are indebted to you. Happy Customer Service